Welcome to Acme Portable. Today, we will explain a bit more about our portable server, NotePAC III PRO V. We launched this lightweight, triple monitor system for harsh environments and critical applications. This all-in-one server is an ideal unit for any project involving command and control, unmanned vehicles, training and simulation, or any other similar projects that require a multi-display server in a highly portable package. The server is ready to deploy out of the box. It takes less than a minute to set the system, release the keyboard, and open all three displays. The keyboard is backlit, so it can work in the dark and other low visibility settings. Another great feature is how easy it is to access all the connections, and there are plenty. Easily access power, 10G fiber connections, USB ports, and more. The system has one PCI Express slot available for installing additional cards. You can also mount additional drives using the pre-installed removable drive bay. With three massive 17.3-inch Full HD monitors, you'll never worry about running out of display space. You are also able to use the three HDMI output ports to duplicate each monitor. Each display refreshes at 144 times per second, over twice as fast as standard displays, meaning smoother, sharper pictures and cleaner details. This unit can also run on batteries. We will introduce and talk more about the external battery attachment in our next video. If you need a server that works reliably for the most demanding application and environments, the NotePAC III PRO V is it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.